right? Then all behavior has a positive intention. Everybody has a good intention to do anything. Even a thief has a good intention at the time. His mind says is right, right? You cannot not communicate. You may be sitting idle, you may not be opening your mouth, but still you are communicating. The whole world can watch. Just by watching your body language, watching your face, how much things are going inside, what are the questions are raised inside, what are the objections you are raising, everything we can understand, people can understand, right? So last 1 or 2 slides, the meaning of your communication is the response you get. Unless I get response, that means the communication is not reaching you. If what you are doing is not working, do something else. That's a very powerful thing. The present software, you think working is not giving me the result. You have to change the software, right? I'm going to give you a small demo here, right? So, what do you want? What the thing you want to achieve in your life? That can be implanted to a system. Your mind will take you to that state. Suppose you want to change something, you want to get up in the early morning, would you find it difficult to get up in the early morning? Easily that pattern can be injected. NLP is focusing on the thing, what do you want, rather than what will happen. We never ask the client, we never ask the patient what has happened. When you use the NLP technique, we want to, what is the position you want to become? What is the thing you want to like? Right? What is the thing you want to change? We are focused on the thing, changes to be happen. Right? So now I am going to, what is the thing you want to change in your life? Anything which you find it very difficult, but you want that actually. The benefits will be more if you change it, but you find it difficult as on date.
The one thing which I want to change in my life is helping my father in business.
Okay.
It is very difficult to come out of it, but okay, once if I come out of it, I will be in a bright future.
Okay, you want to help him.
No, I'm already helping.
Or any other things you want to change in your life, but you find it difficult.
This thing.
Right, when getting up in the morning or some other starting concentrate in the late night or some other thing. Come fast.
I usually used to study in before the exam times.
Okay.
That I want to change, but I'm not.
Want to change the patterns, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to prepare earlier in advance,
yeah,
so
earlier,
that
but,
the exam should be easier for you, right?
Yeah.
So now you are going to take that state, okay? Right. Now you all can see by sitting in your place. Just continue the demo, right? Just sit in your place. You got to see the right side. Just sitting, don't change your face. See the right side, okay? You also see right side, right? Don't change the face. See right side, this side, okay? Right. Now you are seeing another person in front of you, a copy of you, is a Xerox of you. You visualize another person sitting before you, is a copy of you, another you, right? The other you, just sitting before you, right? Now you want the gentleman to do whatever your wishes are there, as if that gentleman is doing, because a lot of benefits are there. If you want to prepare the examination very well in advance, you feel that the other gentleman is doing all the preparations before the examinations, you visualize what are the benefits he is going to enjoy. If he is preparing everything well in advance, what are things you are going to enjoy? Just to visualize, everybody can visualize something, right? As if the other gentleman is other you, the Xerox copy of you is doing everything, and all the benefits he is attaining. Just to visualize the other person is enjoying everything, and you are sitting inside a big glass balloon, right? There is a separation is there. That other gentleman sitting outside, you are just watching the other person's doing everything, whatever you wanted to do, and that gentleman is enjoying all the benefits, right? Just watch it, right? And slowly, and you are able to experience what are the benefits the gentleman is going to have. By preparing everything in advance for the examination, what are the benefits? Can you able to experience, feel it, what the other gentleman will be?
Yeah,
right? Yeah. Okay. He will be also thinking about himself, right? Okay. So the other gentleman is enjoying the most, because these are things, certain blocks we have, but you are seeing the other person is enjoying the thing. He has finished his job, right? He is applying the thing, applying the new technique, and he is whatever you want to do, the other gentleman is doing, and you are enjoying, the other person is enjoying, right? You are watching the other person enjoying. Now slowly the big balloon is shifting towards the gentleman, and if you have any resistance inside your mind, just to close your eyes and think, your mind will, everything it will set right to accept the reality, what the other gentleman is doing. Sometimes we may give some blocks, right? Some blocks may be there. We can't expect the other gentleman to accept everything. Your mind may not accept it, but just visualize all the blocks are removed. Your subconscious mind is taking care of everything, right? Now slowly the balloon is moving towards the other Xerox copy of the other you, and slowly moving, and slowly its balloon is completely opening, and you are very near to the concerned person, new person. You are embracing the new person. The other you is coming, just mingling with you, mixing with you, just solving inside you. You are able to visualize it. You practice it, right? You practice it minimum 20-30 days. So whatever the other gentleman has done it and enjoyed it, definitely the same pattern will be injected to your system. Unless you practice, you may not be able to do it, right? So just to visualize, as the balloon is moving towards the other you, and slowly the balloon is unwinding, and the person is very nearer to you, just embrace him, and the other person is just mingling inside you, mixing inside you. So all the patterns you wanted to change, you are changing through the other you, and you are mixing inside your system. Your mind will be able to grasp it without any objection, any obstacles. Very superb power, superb technique. You can practice it minimum 20. Thanks for, right? Minimum 20-30 days you practice it. Whatever behavior you wanted to change, you can do it, right? Go through the websites. Humpty number of websites are there. More than 10-20 lakh sites are there again about NLP. Please follow the techniques. You can change the world. Life is wonderful because you are the architect for your life. You are the captain for your ship. You are the designer for your life. Life is wonderful. Life is full of opportunities only for the persons who are seeking for it. Thank you very much. Bye bye. This is the last session of me. Thanks for everybody. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for MMA. Thanks for